Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, we are doing the reaction series for our rap monsters or RM's first mixtape RM. Today we're gonna check out two of the tracks from the mixtape, which is Voice and Monster. So really excited to hear it. So without wasting any more time, let's go check it out. Okay, so I put on my headphone, let me bring it up to the full screen. So first we're gonna check out Voice and then the track Monster. So ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
난 꿈이 없었지 내 가사처럼 맨날 그런 식 내게 답을 주지 못했던 함수와 방정식 그것들은 결국 수많은 해가 되었네 그 빛으로 뒤에 숨은 별을 볼 수 없게 해 그렇게 하루하루 날 죽여가며 두도 없이 한우 등급 같은 숫자 노름에 종이를 매달려 난 그저 성공하고 싶었어 남들에게 지겹게 들었던 말이 그것뿐이었어 행복이라 신기는 거기 잡혀있을 줄 알았지 하지만 책상 앞에 난 단 한순간도 행복하지 않았지 어머니 몰래 문제지 사이에 백지를 꼈네 종 베이스에 맞춰서 내려가던 나의 정체 성적표 받을 때와는 다른 숨쉬는 느낌 1등을 해도 내 마음은 늘 편치 못했었지 남들이 원하는 걸 꼭 원할 필요 있는가 한평생 한이 담긴 한숨 쉬며 살기보다 하늘 떼어내고 그냥 숨을 쉬며 사는 길을 택했어 나 손가락질했네 얄팍한 나의 주위에서 내 꿈은 나의 목소리 모두에게 주는 것 내가 어떤 모습일지라도 내 음악과 가사로 이걸 듣고 있는 내가 어떨지 잘 모르지만 날 욕해도 좋아 결국 너도 날 또 찾게 될 테니까 그래 7년이 지나도 5만원짜리 마이크로 여전히 방 한켠에서 혼자 만들어낸 믹스테이프 Some say I'm fake 그래 인정한다 나의 흑역사 변명할 수 있지만 안에 다시 그딴 일 없을 거야 Yeah I'll be real 이 순간 내가 절실히 바라던 7년간 밟아오던 페달에 드디어 기름 채워 You can kill Come take it if you don't wanna piss on me 오직 음악으로 말해 딴 분야 따윈 일 없지 If you really think you're ready to fly With my power this is what all is about Feeling the time is now 난 몰라 나의 목소리에 볼륨을 키워 알 수 있게 내게 닿을 수 있게 다시 한번 나의 목소리에 볼륨을 키워 알 수 있게 내게 닿을 수 있게 난 몰라 나의 목소리에 볼륨을 키워 알 수 있게 내게 닿을 수 있게 다시 한번 나의 목소리에 볼륨을 키워 알 수 있게 내게 닿을
I
수
love the piano. That was a really beautiful song. Okay, I'm gonna talk about my feelings later about the song, but now we're gonna check out the song, the track Monster. Okay, ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I have to tell you the truth, the image is a little bit frightening.
스물하나 우리 엄마의 희생 다 자란 아들 181에 68kg like a model 멍청한 형들보다 난 머리와 열린 가슴 너넨 갖가지 이유로 음해하겠지 나를 번난 울부 지져 이제 나는 grown symbol 매일 미친 듯 살아 달력은 늘 디셈버 곧 너도 알겠지 이름값하는 심볼 난 아직도 랩 몬스터 넌 바로 나를 씹어 그래 인트로부터 아웃로 너는 귀들을 쏟아 담아 저도 모르는 병신들 말고 멋을하는 형들은 다 이리 왔어 폭발하는 RM의 감성 설명 못했던 긴 말도 착한 날 채찍질한 건 저 시팔놈들의 입방정 화적이 가적이 가리지 않는 내 패기 달고 살게 되나 하루 종일 난 재채기 딴 이름은 checky so motherfucking check it 불쌍한 인생 로리 나의 라야와 I rap this left side right side 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로 R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. Left side, right side. 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. This life I live in, I live like I live in. You like they live in, I spit right, I'm heaven. Sick up your gimmick, so get right, you bitches. 콧대 높은 널 따먹고 칠박의 길은 내가 소리 내면 남자들까지도 싹 다 고추서. 내비 내가 치고 내가 까고 내가 보증서. When you play low, you know I play roles. Rapper, composer, a star, so lay low. 네 짝사랑 카톡처럼 점점 커지네 일이. 싹 쳤게 될 테니 너도 팬티 지참해 피리. 7년째 묵묵히 걸어 이제 열리네 길이. 미리 까도 남 인생 걱정하는 찌질이. Oh shit, that was childish. Don't worry, 난 존나 잘 살지. 오늘은 Singapore, 내일은 Taiwan, bitch. I'm so busy popping tags, you're so busy shouting next, bitch. Left side, right side. 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. Left side, right side. 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. 어떤 감성도 가사로 바꿔 언급술사 bitch. 맘이 가난한 새끼들 입에 불을 칠하지. 더는 말할 수 없게 왜 자꾸 또 쩝쩝대. 날 쉽고 듣고 맛보는 게 그냥 즐겁대. 하루 인생 bitch 그렇게라도 자위해라. 그래 힙합이 네 전부겠지 어쩌겠냐. 추석기 성필 같은 새끼들 My rapping for you. My music ain't for everybody 특히 not for you bitch. Left side, right side. 못 느끼는 새끼들은 적게라. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. Left side, right side. 못 느끼는 새끼들은 적게라. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. Left side, right side. 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. Left side, right side. 이 리듬을 느낀다면 여기로. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster. R to the M, I'm a motherfucking monster.
Wow. So that was Voice and Monster by RM, and totally two different tracks from one another, completely different vibe from one another. Voice tells the story of his childhood. Like we all know, RM was a really bright student. He was like number one in his class. He had a really bright future in the corporate world. So still it didn't make him happy, because he felt happy when he write the song, when he sings, when he raps. He felt the happiness there, not when he was studying or if he gets number one, if he gets 100 out of 100, it doesn't matter to him. It didn't give him any happiness. So that's it tells the story of him being a musician, an artist, and I really like that. I really like how he talked about his past, how he talked about that he didn't have a dream, but then he had a dream, which is being a musician, an artist. And I really like that, how he talked about his, struggles to keep up, to bring out his voice to the audience, because we all know when this was released, he has been an underground rapper for 7 years, since like his middle school. So he was really he really wanted to show his music to the world, and when it was finally his time to release his first mixtape, he wanted to showcase that. So I really like that. And Monster is a completely, like, it was a monster song. Like, why is it called Rap Monster, you wanna know? Because he's a monster. He can rap, he can produce, he can write. What can you do, guys? Like, if you like him, if you like his work, if you like his songs, if you like his rap, you're more than welcome. But if you don't, get out of here. And I really love it. I really like how he showed his confidence in his work. The way why he referred to himself as Rap Monster, I really like that he showcased in this track. So I really enjoyed it a lot. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, do share, do comment, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to connect with me more, you guys can check out my social media account, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Those are linked in the description, and I'll see you next video. Bye.